Coco Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate lava cakes, which is the perfect dessert for a special dinner for two. Now I'm using dark chocolate, which is 70% cacao, low sugar, very high in antioxidants, and it relieves stress and improves good mood. And also going to be using some orange rind. Orange, of course, is high in vitamin C, very good for the immune system. It's actually also good for your eyes and your skin, and it can help regulate blood sugar as well. To start off with, we have about half a cup of chopped dark chocolate, and I'm just going to pour on 2 tablespoons of boiling water. So just let that sit there for a minute or so until it melts. Meanwhile, we need 1/4 cup of any plant-based milk you like. To that I'm going to add half a teaspoon of organic apple cider vinegar. So there we go. And just leave that aside for a sec. So I'm just stirring the dark chocolate until it's all melted. So when it's nice and smooth, just add about a teaspoon of grated orange rind. Just stir that in. For now I'm just going to put that in the freezer. So I'm just going to add 1/4 cup of oats to the blender. Just blend until they're fine. So half a teaspoon of bicarb soda. And 2 tablespoons of raw cacao powder. One teaspoon of cinnamon, a tablespoon of melted coconut oil, one teaspoon of vanilla extract, another and lastly we need about 1/4 cup of mashed banana, which is approximately half a medium banana. And then I've just got out that chocolate mixture out of the freezer. So I need 2 tablespoons of this mixture to go into there. So now just blend the whole mixture together. And of course the almond milk, which I'd set aside before and I nearly forgot. So put that in there. So now I've got 2 ramekins that I've oiled. So I'm just going to put half the mixture between these 2 first. Then I'm going to put the chocolate mixture from the freezer onto that. Then I'm going to put the rest of the mixture on top. So now that just goes into the oven at about 170 degrees for about 20 minutes. So there you have my delicious Choc orange lava cakes. The perfect guilt-free treat for that special dinner for 2. And as you can see, you could either turn it out and serve it on its own plate, or you could just serve it in the ramekin as it is. And just dust a little cacao on top and a bit more orange rind. And you could serve that with either dairy-free ice cream or whipped coconut cream would be nice too. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.